So for today, you're going to go to the first lesson in the packet, and we've already done 1 and 2. All we need to do is number 3. So number 3 talks about a monthly mortgage payment, and they give us the whole formula, and just like before, they define the pieces of the formula, and we just need to substitute in what they tell us. So here, I'm going to get my pen out. We know the monthly payment. Let's see, the Banks family qualified for an annual interest rate of 4.8%. So I'm right next to this part, I'm going to write 0.048, and then it's a 20-year mortgage. Now you have to be careful, 20 years, but they want this in monthly payments. So I'm going to multiply my 20 by 12, and that's going to give me 240. And then they want a monthly payment no more than $720. So the thing we're trying to find is the amount borrowed. So I'm going to say 720 equals, P is what I don't know. If you want to call it X because it's your unknown, that's fine. And then we have this over 12. And now I'm just going to substitute everything in. So you want to show all your work of subbing everything in, and then you can really just put everything straight into the calculator. You're going to put, since this is like P times this whole thing, divided by your whole denominator is going to have all numbers substituted into it. I would put the entire numerator into my calculator, divided by the denominator, leaving the P on the side, and copy that entire decimal down on my paper. So let's see. We have this to the 240 minus 1. Okay, so I put this whole thing in my calculator and I get this. You might want to copy a little bit more out of your calculator. It looks like mine rounded a little bit. Remember, this piece is what's multiplying my p-value. So I need to divide both sides by that. So I'm going to take 720 divided by 0.00649, and I'm going to get this value. So here they wanted us to round to the nearest cent. So for you guys, I think your calculator is going to say something a little bit closer to 110,947.18. Looks like mine rounded a little bit funky. Okay. All right, so at this point, you can get the practice sheet from the sub. Whatever you don't finish in class is for homework, and I will see you guys on Thursday.